Owning your story is one of the most empowering things that you can do, especially as a woman. So, this experience is available in person in Austin, Texas, and it's also available if you are anywhere in the world because it will be virtual as well. This is for you if you know that you have a story that you would either like to share or even just clarify within yourself. It could be something that has a lot of emotion tied to it, for better or worse. It could be something that you believe has an impact that speaks to maybe different systems or different dynamics that exist within your culture that you would like to highlight, maybe for potential social change. It could be one of the most exhilarating experiences of your life that you want more of. And how you can get more of that is to give more attention and energy to it. So, no matter what comes up for you, when you think about memoir writing, when you think about owning your story for yourself, it can be a real reclamation to not only understand the different events in your life, but also to put it on paper. And then another level is to share it in an environment that is really set up to be an emotionally safe place, trauma informed, where people are on the same page about privacy and respecting your comfort level and your expression. So, how this works is you will either enter the virtual space or you will enter a private home in Austin, Texas, and you'll have an opportunity to be greeted with some warm tea. And you can bring your own notebook, maybe a blanket to kind of cuddle up with during the writing segments. And we'll have a variety of holistic exercises to really help you drop into the sacredness of the story that wants to come through. So even if you don't know exactly what you want to talk about, that is totally fine because if you know you have a story, that's enough. You'll be able to do something with that. We'll have a variety of guided meditations. I am a certified hypnotherapist, so we'll be able to dive deeper into your subconscious to extract the stories that want to be told, and there will be opportunities for some light healing along the way. And you'll have the opportunity to connect with other people in a one-on-one format. You'll have an opportunity to earth and ground. We have some trees and greenery that you'll be able to interact with during the process of really getting to the root and the core of what a segment of your story is that you'd like to bring through. You don't have to have an existing draft or even an existing idea. The only thing that you need is a curiosity and a desire to have a story come through you. And for most participants, this will be a true story. This will be your own life story. It becomes an opportunity to really be seen and witnessed within a broader community, both online and in person. If you've been wanting to have a writing buddy, if it's a life goal of yours to be published or to publish again, then this is something that can really help catapult that, where you're setting aside 6 hours just for you and your process, trusting that process. So that's why I'm not going through every single minute of what we're going to be doing, because there is an element of trust here when you are exploring uncharted territory or reimagining what that territory looks like and feels like. And to describe how you can expect to feel during this experience, a sense of catharsis, a sense of validation internally, a sense of expression and wholeness, a sense of honoring something about yourself in a way that maybe you have not honored it before, and how you can expect to feel after the experience is more socially connected around a topic or an aspect of your story that may have felt a little more alienated at first. You can expect to feel a sense of accomplishment that maybe after thinking about taking certain actions to get a draft or to get the concepts clear within yourself, you actually have it. During the experience, you can also expect some support from me. I'll be around for questions. I'm a two-time author, one of which is a memoir. So I certainly know the drill, at least through my own lens, and the experiences that I had during my writing process that were so instrumental included not just writing the story, but being in community and having mentorship during that process that really helped to alleviate some of the heavier emotions that weren't even really mine. Sometimes there can be projections that we hold on to from society, from other people, that we can carry when really it is not ours to carry. And this process can be so therapeutic. So it's one of the reasons why I'm bringing this experience to you virtually and in person. And if you're interested in having this small group experience and maybe even going a little bit deeper, that is a possibility as well. I do have one-on-one containers on this topic of drafting out your entire book draft. It could be in a VIP day, and in a longer container, we can actually get you published in that time. I know that back before I was an author, I had so many questions. And whether you want to go the published author route or whether you are more keen on just getting that story clarified for yourself, this experience is one that you don't want to miss out on because has the potential to really be life-changing and to really lighten your load so that you can show up in a way that is more authentic to who you truly are. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment them. I'll go ahead and put all the links below so they're easy for you to check out. And I hope that you have a really wonderful day.